Not everyone has a heart like yours. One of the hardest lessons in this life is realizing that not everyone loves the way you do. Some people would never make the sacrifice you make. They would never lose sleep over someone else's pain. They would never forgive the way you've forgiven, remain loyal the way you've remained loyal, or carry burdens that were never yours to carry. And because your heart works that way, you expect theirs to as well. This is where so many people get hurt. They mistake kindness for weakness, loyalty for obligation, compassion for something that everyone naturally possesses. But they don't. Some hearts are driven by love, others by fear, greed, pride, envy, or self-interest. That doesn't make you foolish for caring. It simply means you must learn discernment. Protect your heart without hardening it. Continue to love, continue to help, continue to be compassionate, but stop expecting everyone to value what you give. The right people will not take advantage of your heart. They'll protect it. Because a beautiful heart is one of the rarest things in this world. If you have one, don't lose it trying to give it to people who never intended to treasure it.